So day 3 of this. All right, so slope-intercept day 3. We have been dealing with y equals mx plus b. Problem is, it's not always going to be given to us like this. So this video and the next video really only have to do with taking what they may have given us. Today we're dealing with point slope form and turning it into y equals mx plus b. So point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where y1 and x1 will be numbers. M will be a number. So we just got to fix it to where it just says y equals mx plus b. M is still m, but we'll end up kind of combining x and y. Well, you'll see here in a second. Let's just get right into it. So it's literally a two-step process. So like we go back here. If we wanted y by itself, we need to get rid of our parentheses by distributing, and that'll take care of all this. And then to get this y by itself, we're going to add y over or subtract. If this is a positive number, we'll subtract it. If it's negative, we'll add. We'll add it over here to not the x, because that's going to be something, but add it to whatever number ended up being over here. So that's what's happening. Distribute 1/2. Subtract this number to the other side. Boom, it's done. This is just multiplication. And this is always going to be 1/2 times x. This is always going to be regular x. 1/2 times -4, you just put in the calculator and let it spit out the answer for you. So we just did some more examples. Distribute. That in the calculator became 1. And subtract the 5 to the other side. It was done. And they were like, this is really, really easy. And I said, yes. Yes, it is. Distribute. We got a nice, fun number there. Subtract. And we have y equals mx plus b. Pause the video when you need to pause the video. Okay, here's one that kind of gave us a nasty one, but that's okay. -1/5 times x, -1/5 times 3. Well, that just became -3/5. Just put it in the calculator. Oh, crap, that's a fraction. That's okay. When we subtract this over, this is just a number. We'll do -3/5, subtract 3, and it'll give us what we need to put here. Just because it's not 5 minus 3, doesn't mean we still can't -3/5 minus 3. Just let your calculator do all the hard work. Something like this, or if you have just an x or just a y, all we can do is get it to say y equals or x equals. So once again, it's distribute, subtract. A lot of these were not terribly hard. If you don't know what -1/5 times 3 is, put it in your calculator. If you don't know what -3/5 subtract 3 is, put it in your calculator. It's fine. And hopefully distribute, add or subtract, done. So it should be fairly easy.